A day in Puerto Rico doing marine salvage and construction. Working with Bob the diver today on a barge, setting some pylons in San Juan, Puerto Rico. It's gonna be an adventure. Let's get this show on the road.
And then I'm just going to clutch it and start it.
Moving this tug around because they are going to lift up this concrete form right here with a crane, swing around the back of the barge, and set it on this other barge. Run! So one of the cruise ships hit a section right here and completely destroyed it. And this is what we've been working on.